Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to show you a product close-up of the brand new Trinity pickup tool. So it's a double-ended tool. You've got a lid on either side, which is awesome. It keeps everything nice and tidy. Also, it is beautiful. I saw it and it makes me think like unicorn white. That's the colour that I think it is, because it's like a pearly white colour. So on one end you have a white wax tip, and that's going to work for picking up any kind of embellishments. And as you can see here, it pairs wonderfully with our Trinity Tidy Tray. It just makes adding embellishments to your cards super easy and simple. So I'm showing you here with some of the Midnight bauble embellishments, and I've had no problem whatsoever picking up the smallest one right the way through to the very largest embellishment that you get in that set. So you will have no problem picking up any of our embellishments with this tool. It is also good for picking up little die cuts like this. So that's a cardstock die cut. And it will pick anything up like that. But also it releases really easily when you want to put the thing down. So on the other end you've got a pokey tool. I'm just showing you there that it's not too sharp, but it will allow you to pierce through paper or cardstock if you want or need to. So I'm just poking through there onto a self-healing mat. And I think it's also fabulous for pressing down embellishments or little die cuts when you've glued them in place and you want to make sure that they stick in place. So because it's shaped like a pen, it's really easy to use, and you can't really see because of the light, but I've just put a circle score into the paper so you can use it for that kind of thing. It's also good for helping to release die cuts from your dies after die cutting. So that is our brand new Trinity pickup stick. We love it and we hope that you will love it too. Have a lovely, happy, safe, wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.